New Forest was a county constituency in southwest Hampshire which elected one Member of Parliament (MP) to the House of Commons of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. It was first created under the Redistribution of Seats Act for the 1885 general election and was abolished for the 1918 general election, when it was partially replaced by the new Forest and Christchurch constituency. The seat was re-established for the 1950 general election and those thereafter, was significantly cut in size on the creation of the seat of Romsey in 1983, and was abolished for the 1997 general election, when the New Forest East and New Forest West seats were created using its remaining components. Boundaries: 1885 to 1918, the municipal borough of Romsey, the sessional divisions of Lymington and Ringwood, part of the sessional division of Romsey, and the civil parishes of Chilworth and North Shoreham. 1950 to 1955, the municipal borough of Lymington, and the rural districts of New Forest and Ringwood and Fordingbridge. 1955 to 1974, the municipal borough of Lymington, the rural district of Ringwood and Fordingbridge, and part of the rural district of New Forest. 1974 to 1983, the rural districts of New Forest and Ringwood and Fordingbridge. 1983 to 1997, the district of New Forest wards of Barton, Bashley, Beckton, Boulder, Bransgar, and Sopley, Brackenhurst, Copythorne South, Downlands, Fordingbridge, Forest North, Forest Northwest, Forest South, Forest West, Hortle, Lymington Town, Lyndhurst, Milford, Milton, Pennington, Ringwood North, Ringwood South, and Sway. History. Members of Parliament. MPs 1885-1918. MPs 1950-1997. Elections. Elections in the 1880s. Elections in the 1890s. Elections in the 1900s. Elections in the 1910s. Elections in the 1950s. Elections in the 1960s. Elections in the 1970s. Elections in the 1980s. Elections in the 1990s. See also: List of parliamentary constituencies in Hampshire. Notes and references.